Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the e.l.f. brow comb and brush combo. This one is, like I said, it is the combo one, so it's connected at the top with a comb and a brush, and then it just has this silver part right here, and then the bottom part of it is just white, and then right here on what it says. But this one was actually $1. You can find this on Amazon and Walmart. Literally anywhere that they sell e.l.f. products, you can find it at. This one was actually, I'm going to tell you guys actually how I did find out about this, but this one has actually lasted me for 6 months. And like I said, this is an e.l.f. product. So for everybody out there saying like, oh my goodness, like anytime I buy e.l.f., blah, blah, I always hear the baddest stigmas about e.l.f., but I am in college and I am on a budget and I do love e.l.f. and I will repeatedly say that again and again always. But I was in Walmart and the one that I had previously to this one was actually a better brand. I ended up paying $14 for the one I had before this one. And this part on my other one ended up falling off. So I was literally just using this part and like holding the little nozzle right there. So I ended up trying to go to the store to try to replace this product. And I was like, you know what? Like I'm going to really try to find another good brand. Like I really do, just because it's just something that I can't literally keep holding by the edges. Like I want to be able to hold it and handle when I'm doing my eyebrows. So I was in Walmart and then I was like, you know what, like let me go look at the e.l.f. products, because like I always like to look over there. I ended up looking at the e.l.f. products and I ended up picking up this one for $1, like I stated before, and it's lasted me. Something that I really do love about this product is the combining of the comb and the brush. I do use this before I put on my brow pomade and then after I do put on my eyebrow pomade. It's just literally something that like has become so routine to me. It's honestly lasted me for so long at this point that like if this does end up breaking, I won't even be mad, just because I've only spent $1 on it. And then also I have no problem going back and reinvesting in it. And even if this is like $2, $3, I have no problem going back and like reinvesting in this product, just because of the sturdiness and how long it's lasted me for. And another thing that I love about this product too is the softness of the bristles on the brush. I've had eyebrow brushes that literally have become softer over time, and this one, as you guys can see, is still firm. Like it's still strong, and literally like it's going. And like literally the eyebrow brush itself, and I'll say this like again and again, I've had it for a while and it still lasts me. Like it's still put together. Something else that I really do enjoy about this product is usually when I use a brow pomade, I'll get like the eyebrow pomade stuck in between the comb. Sometimes I'll get it stuck in between the brush. Even sometimes like it'll for some reason, like my old one, it used to get stuck on this part, or like this whole part would be black. And every time I use it, I would have to try to wipe it off, because when I held it, like I would get the pomade on it, or even like down here would just be so bad. But as you guys can see, it is clean. This part is clean, and there is no brow pomade in the comb or barely in the brush. There's probably some on this part, as you guys can see, but none anywhere else. And I really do love that about this product as well too, just because when I clean my brushes, I usually clean them once every 2 weeks, just because I do apply makeup every day and I don't like it for my makeup brushes to stay dirty. And I honestly don't clean this every 2 weeks. I will clean this probably like every 3 weeks or as needed. And when I do clean it as needed, it barely is as needed. Like I won't even have to clean it that much. And that's how much I do really enjoy this product. When it comes to like the sense of the cleanliness, and how I feel like it just hasn't been a product that I've had that many problems with. Something else that I can really say that is very, very nice about this product as well as too is the size of it. I can travel with it. It's not something that it's like, do I have to debate whether I should bring it or not? Is it going to take up space or not? It's not even a product like that at all. I literally just put it in my bag and go. I end up actually, if you guys want to know a super funny story, I ended up buying a second one of these just because so I can have one at home, and then when I am like on the go in my makeup bag in my purse, I do keep one in there too as well, just because you never know like what's gonna happen throughout the day. I do dance and I take dance classes, and when I do apply my eyebrows, sometimes I like literally am not even paying attention, and I'll be trying to wipe sweat off my forehead and end up wiping off a little bit of my eyebrows. So I will go back in with this product and kind of fix up my eyebrows. And then also, like, sometimes, like I say, you never know. During the summer, this was very funny, but it was really hot outside. I was sweating and I had a hat on. I applied my eyebrows. I lifted up my hat. Like, my eyebrows were so bad. Like, they were going in like every single direction. And I literally, like, this was the biggest lifesaver. I ended up like going to get a little brow pomade from one of my sister's houses, and then I ended up going, and I had this with me, and I don't know if I'm the only person that feels this way, but like when it comes to like makeup brushes and stuff, I don't like to use anybody else's, and I would like nobody else usually uses mine just because of the sensitivity of the nature. Like it's getting applied to your face, and like your face is sensitive, and you honestly don't know about like what's on other people's brushes or how often do they clean them. So I did have this with me, and I used a little bit of her pomade with this, and it worked honestly so well, and this has just been saving my life ever since I have purchased it. So like I said before, guys, this is just the e.l.f. combo brush and comb set, and it is such a good investment. It might be a little bit more expensive now from $1, but I purchased it for $1, and it's honestly so worth it.